Alright, here's my bike check. I've got your 8 Spectrum frame. It's the 2010. Got, start at the front. Got my Shadow Voltus forks. Got my stock pegs. I don't really care. Pegs are pegs to me. I got the Alienation Deviant front rim laced to a Primo M4 FL hub with Primo 14 gauge spokes. I got my Odyssey Aiken tire in the front. It's a P-Light. Got my Shadow Voltus bars. Got my Shadow Attack stem. My Animal headset. And then let's get over here. I got my Shadow Revenger chain wheel. Got my Madeira Protocol cranks. I got my Colonial Fantastic PC pedals. And got my Shadow shackle chain. I got a duo seat which is broken, so I need to get a new one of those. And then I got my stock seat post. Oh, and I got ODI long neck grips with stolen Vortex bar ends. And now let's get over here. Got my Animal bottom bracket. And then to the back I got my Odyssey 7KA rim laced to a Profile Mini SS cassette hub. Got another stock peg. I got this hub guard I just made out of a CD, I guess. Piece of shit, don't do this, this is terrible. But I got my Odyssey path, and then, yeah, that's about it. Here's what my hub sounds like. So yeah, the bike check.